Hey everyone, guys, if you have hit, this, sponsor request limit rich error on your Cash App, guys, don't worry, guys. Here's what's happening and here's how you can actually resolve it. So basically, let me explain to you first what's actually happening. So Cash App actually imposes limits on sponsor or referral requests basically to prevent scam or misuse. So when you have reached the maximum number of requests, here's what you can actually do. You can wait for the reset period. The sponsor request limit is typically reset after a specified period of time, a specific time frame. It's best to actually just wait 24 to 48 hours before trying again. And then what you can also do, guys, is just check for app updates. Make sure you're using the latest version of the Cash App. Head over to the App Store or Google Play Store and update if actually needed. And then what you can also do, guys, is you can limit your requests. So moving forward, send sponsor requests only to people will actually accept them. This basically helps to avoid reaching the cap too soon. And guys, if the issue persists beyond the reset period, what you can do is just contact Cash App support or reach out to the Cash App support. Open the app, go to profile, click on support, and then click on something else and explain the problem. And that's it, guys. Once you follow these steps, you should get back on track. And guys, if you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more such tips. And I'll see you guys in the next one.